Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use package geometry in Zoho Inventory. This feature is incredibly useful for optimizing how you pack and ship orders, helping you reduce shipping costs and ensure items are packed efficiently. First, open your web browser and head over to zoho.com/inventory. Once you're there, log in to your Zoho Inventory account using your credentials. After logging in, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the gear icon representing settings. Click on it to access your account configuration options. From the settings menu, you'll need to navigate to the general section under module settings, then click on items. This is where you'll configure the foundational settings that affect how Zoho handles your product dimensions and weights. In the item settings menu, you'll see options to choose your preferred measurement units. Select whether you want to use inches or centimeters for item dimensions and pounds or kilograms for weight. This step is important because it ensures all your measurements are consistent throughout the system. Once you've made your selections, click Save to apply these measurement settings. Now that your units are configured, head over to the Sales Orders module from your main navigation. Here, you'll need to open either a draft or confirmed sales order for which you want to compute package geometry. This feature works with existing orders, allowing you to optimize packing for shipments you're preparing. Once your sales order is open, look for the Packages tab on the sales order page and click on it. From there, select Package Geometry. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to add box types by entering their name, dimensions, and maximum weight capacity. This creates a library of packaging options that Zoho can work with. After adding your box types, click Compute. Zoho's AI will analyze your order items and calculate the optimal arrangement, determining how many boxes you need and how to pack them most efficiently. You'll then see a three-dimensional visualization showing exactly how items fit inside each box. You can drag to rotate and inspect the arrangement from different angles, giving you complete visibility into the packing strategy. Click Add to place items into boxes, and if you have multiple boxes, you can navigate between them by clicking the box numbers displayed at the top of the screen. This allows you to review each package individually and ensure everything is organized correctly. When you're satisfied with the arrangement, click View Summary. This will display a comprehensive overview showing the number of boxes, quantities, weights, and volumes for your entire shipment. This summary is perfect for coordinating with your shipping provider and managing logistics. And that's it. You've successfully used package geometry in Zoho Inventory to optimize your order packing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.